What's up? Hey, what's up, guys? This is ProWolfTrader. Let's make money together. Today is 18 December 2024, Wednesday, and we are live in New York session. I hope everybody's having a nice day, and if they're not, they're about to have a nice day. Just like always, we're gonna make profits. Yesterday, I could not stream because I was extremely busy. Yes, of course, because of my work, because of my commitments. I couldn't stream. It was too much for me. But I managed it and somehow I'm here live in New York session. Today's gonna be interesting day. I can stream till the FOMC meeting minutes. But there's a condition to that. I need you guys to stay with me. Yep. If there's less viewer counts, I'm gonna end the stream in 2 hours and maybe come back during FOMC. But as for now, let's start our trading. So what's moving the market? Currently, all the traders, they are waiting for the FOMC meeting minutes. As soon as that comes out tonight, I mean according to my time zone, the FOMC blackout period is gonna finish, which in turn is gonna highlight a lot of stuff. As soon as those people start tweeting, you can see the gold price, go up and down. If Fed decides to rate cut, there might be a chance that, gold go up, but it can also go down depending upon their policy and also on the market sentiment. If the retail traders, they try to short the sentiment and the institutions are long, because right now on all the institutions they are shorting. It's really strange if you are keeping up with the COT, but in short, COT won't help you. You have to see beyond the COT, beyond the technicals, beyond the fundamentals. You have to actually see what's happening in the world. Yesterday, in Russia, Moscow, Ukraine, intelligence, they took out the the dude who was responsible for majority of the invasions and assaults and blah blah blah. The journal, they took him out. Gold didn't push up because currently everybody is trying to price in the drop, but at the same time they're like ignoring the really big question: rate cut. Fed hasn't changed its stance and is still looking forward to do the rate cut, which in turn is creating a lot of tension between the buyers and the sellers. But in reality, I'm really feeling uncomfortable selling. The major reason is that the drop might happen, but as always I've been saying that gold is always bullish in the long run. It might drop a day or 2 or 3, but in the end it will always goes up. I mean, this has been going on with what's happening around the world, and currently there is this new phenomena that's happening in America, in New York and New Jersey, and I've been highlighting this a lot in the Discord. Those guys who are not on Discord, join it. The link is given in the bio, and like the stream. So the phenomena in New Jersey and New York, the UAPs, or what you guys call it, the UFOs. I know this is way out of the topic, but what it has to do with the market is it's creating a panic, because I mean, come on, it's happening in New York and New Jersey. That's where the Wall Street is, right? The guys in the Wall Street, they're asking, what are those fucking drones in the sky? And it's creating a panic before the Trump administration is actually coming in. Some people are saying it can compromise the infrastructure, and it's creating a lot of buzz in the Wall Street. So you need to, whatever that's happening, you need to know. Even though you think it doesn't affect the market, but you are forgetting the very fact that back in 2019, the same patient zero which started the COVID scenario that was in Wuhan, China, also started with a buzz like this. Oh, just a fever. Oh, this nothing to get worried about. And they sealed off the area. and then something global. If this New Jersey, New York thing is the start of some major black swan, financial crisis that starts with just, oh no, it's just 300, 400 drones. Iran is maybe behind it, maybe Russia is behind it, blah blah blah. They're checking for nuclear, blah blah, and suddenly, if they, the worst case scenario is they say, oh, this has nothing to do with the Pentagon. It's not army. It's maybe, they can say anything. Even if you hear the weirdest thing like maybe it's another life form, and suddenly boom, they're aliens, boom. And you see that there's a fucking panic just like COVID. I mean, anything can happen. This worst, craziest stuff. But yeah, expect crazy things to happen in December and January. And it's already happening. It's up in the sky. Go look in the fucking damn YouTube. Anyways, coming back, yeah, this was really necessary. And I'm gonna be here as soon as the stock market opens after an hour. We're gonna look at MicroStrategy. We will be trading gold and Bitcoin since gold is in a range. Bitcoin is, giving us lots of money, nice money. We'll be scalping Bitcoin. Yesterday, I was posting stuff related to MicroStrategy X Bitcoin, and I shorted it. I was busy. This is why I couldn't stream, because I was busy making money. I gave the signal. We hit TP1 and 2. TP1 was almost like 98,000 pips, and TP2 was 250k pips. And if you have a one lot, you can make really nice profit with it. But we, just saying, but there are people who made that much profit, and more than that actually, in the premium group. So what are you waiting for, guys? Join it. It's for your own benefit. It's really cheap to join. You are missing out. ProWolf got you covered, baby, at a premium price. Of course, nothing is free in the world, even if you're dying, right? And this piece pays off for all the community stuff that is being posted, and the guys who are working 24/7 behind it. This all goes in their pocket. Anyways, right now the gold is pushing up. Coming back to gold, if you are buying within the zone, I mean, this was London start. Okay, this was London low in short. If you're buying London low and TP around Tokyo closer, which is around 2649, this is a nice area to scalp. I mean, this is like a scalp haven. You keep scalping, you make nice money. But if you're like, no, I want to break out, just wait for Bitcoin. As soon as the stock market opens and the MicroStrategy, if it opens up with a gap downwards again today, it's gonna be raining money. But we will not immediately sell. We will wait for it, because yesterday when the MicroStrategy opened up with a gap upwards, it was dropping down. Bitcoin just made all-time high, even when MicroStrategy was dropping down. Let me turn this off. Even when this was dropping over here, Bitcoin made all-time high, which was ridiculous, right? So we have to be careful. We at least wait half an hour. If you can afford it, if you can risk it, then you can. But to be wise, just wait half an hour. Probably around 8 o'clock. If you are in like UAE, it will drop down then, but you can get a nice price if you sell it from the top. Okay, guys, if you have any question, you can ask me up. And please like, only one like. 5 people are watching. One like, come on, guys. And yeah, one more thing. If I get 5 likes, I'm gonna give one signal. Let's just say first 5 like, one signal giveaway. Then there are 5 likes more, like total 10 like. Then second signal. Then 5 more likes, which means 15 likes in total. Third signal. If keep the like counts up, the signals will come. That's how it's gonna work, man. You have to move. Gold is going up as usual. Let's focus on scalping gold till the stock market opens up. But if you are somebody who wants to be in a better position, they can sell right now. But at least wait, because it will bounce back up over here. Sell from here. It's more wise to sell from here. Bitcoin. Till then, we're gonna scalp gold. Okay, let me go grab my coffee. And guys, like the stream, and I'll be right back. If you have any question, ask me up. So here's the thing: 5 likes, one signal. Okay, and stay over here. If you guys, for example, are trading for the next 7-8 hours, how many hours till the FOMC? I think 7, 8 hours, right? We have 8 hours. In short, 8 or 9 hours till FOMC meeting minutes. If you guys are trading, if you guys don't get distracted, I mean, a lot of people they do, so this is why they don't trade and watch the stream at us. If you don't have any problem, stay here. We're gonna be, since I did not trade yesterday, I wanna make up for that. And I did a majority of my work. It's manageable right now. I can even manage it while streaming. So just be here, okay? Till the FMC meeting minutes. Because the year is ending, I want to at least stream 6-7 hours daily. But I need your suggestions. You want me to stream 7-8 hours in New York non-stop, or you guys want that I stream 2 hours London, 2 hours New York? I have personal experience with the way the market is going. Only Tokyo and New York session is worth it. Nothing happens in London session only if you're somebody who's trading yen or pound, then he, or euro, then he can, the Forex especially, then London is okay. Other than that, everything goes like high volume, high volatility in New York. I think New York gives more profit, is giving more profit. New York and Tokyo gives more profit than London. Anyways, let me go grab my coffee. And guys, 5 likes, one signal. Keep the likes up, okay? The signals gonna keep coming. We're gonna do a long stream today, 7-8 hours, and I'll try to stream every day. It will be a marathon. What do you say? 1,000 subscriber marathon, something like this. Anyways, let me grab my coffee. And guys, yeah, also drink water and stay hydrated and relax. We got it. We got it covered. We're gonna make profits. And yeah, in the meanwhile, I'm grabbing my coffee. If you have any question, ask me up. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let's do this. Everybody's here. Okay, so if you guys are not familiar of what's happening right now, the market is just waiting for the FOMC meeting. Their decision, either the rate cut or pause. I think they're gonna still do the rate cut, 25 base point. That's gonna push the gold prices up. And I say always something happens in the matrix that sends the gold price up. It can be any incident. Currently, the ongoing situation, the Ukraine and Russia war. I mean, Zelensky he's lost his shit. Trump is tweeting that Zelensky has to start preparing, to make a peace deal with Moscow and end the war. I've been following all the things Donald Trump is saying currently. But Zelensky is just like a little child, wants to keep fighting, I think, until each and every individual man, I mean specifically Ukrainian man, is dead. Because that's his agenda is, right? Already so many people have died while he does poses for what's voyage, his fancy, military attire, green camo jackets with his wife, while the people are dying fighting for him, while he goes to America and pledges for more budget and travels around Europe in private jets and security, while the people are fighting in the ditches. I mean, come on, this is the reality. And people like us making money off profits off out of what, I mean, this is it is what it is, right? So let it be. Hey, what's up, Zoravar? Hey bro, how are you? How was I? I was really stressed. If you ask me how am I, I'm really fine, but I was really stressed. Trading, bro. Trading. Last week apparently wasn't good for Thursday and Friday. I was shorting when the market was going up, and I started buying I bought when the market was going down. And so what the fuck? But I was making, I made lots of profit on natural gas and other stuff, crude oil. But gold was something which was, which was like crazy shit. But the natural gas. Let me show you. I'm eating actually. I didn't have any. I just came home. Let me show you. Natural gas is more profitable than the damn gold. I mean, if you guys trade natural gas now, it's more, goes in a certain range and is more directional, has more trend based, movement, and gives you nice profit. I mean, if you open a gold trade and you come back after 6 7 hours, you probably see gold go up $7 8, come back down $7 8. Natural gas, you let it run, it's definitely it hit your TP. 70 to 80% time it will hit your TP. If it goes down a little bit or goes up a little bit, pull back, it might hit your stop loss. But in my experience, my trades, 85% of my trades are, hit TP. Yeah, sometimes I open, it gonna goes back, hits stop loss, but it eventually goes up or down the direction I expect it to go. And I bought this and I sold this. I sold this, and this was my buy zone. I bought it few actually, just one trade. It was a, what do you say, buy limit. But I was expecting it to drop down, but then I stopped because they were re-rolls, contract re-rolls. If you're somebody who trade energies and commodities, you know probably what I'm talking about. So this is why I say come out and trade other stuff, don't stick to gold all the time. If you're not making profit on gold, make profit on Forex. I mean, for example, right now, uh, let me add it up. This is Euro JPY. I scalped Euro. This is, by the way, these are premium signals that I'm showing. I'm just showing because a lot of people talk shit. No, I bought it over here, took TP, then bought it over here, and currently, I mean, my partial profits I have already taken, but some of trades are still running at break even. This I expected to go because tomorrow we have Fed, Bank of Japan, and Bank of England, interest rate decision. So if, for example, let's talk about Fed. If Fed decides to cut the rate, it's gonna drop the dollar index. Like, in short, make dollar weak. If BOJ decides to cut it, it's gonna hurt Japan. Japanese. If same goes for pound, Bank of England. So you try to buy the opposite. This is how it works. So this is the plan initially. I find Forex like a meditation because if I open it, I just let it run. I'm not tense. It will go in the way I expect it to go, and if it won't, it's just all right. I'll get an entry again. Trump Trump 2.0 is all about crude oil and Forex. Let me tell you, if you're somebody who's traded gold just like me, he's gonna just disappointed unless some this crazy shit is still keeps on happening. Trump is against the war. He will try everything to end the war, and if he does, gold will melt, and we will try to short it. But as for now, even when the Trump is not in the house, gold is melting. But the thing is, nobody can remove Powell. Powell is the boss man. Powell is the boss man making the decisions about the financial policies of America. Why is there no viewers, man? As soon as I start talking about Zelensky or something, my fucking viewer counts, it just vanishes, shows me. My chat becomes disabled. My damn fucking count becomes zero. That's how the matrix works, right? The algo. Anyways, I try not to talk about them, but I can't stop myself because I'm pro Wolf, baby. If I don't tell the truth, who will? Nobody talks about the truth. And yeah, I don't care about what the matrix does. This channel. So how was your week, man? What were you guys trading besides gold? I was trading Bitcoin, natural gas, yen, especially yen. Okay, okay, I see a pump. I see a pump on. Okay, something is happening on gold. You see this? For a clear direction, we have to switch to 15 minutes. Unfortunately, 5 minutes is just messing with our heads. Sometimes if things doesn't make sense, you have to switch. 5 minutes for working really nice, but right now, since we are in a sideway range, look at this. This is the sideway range. Every time it comes around this zone, you buy. This zone, you buy. Again, this zone it comes, you buy. This zone, you buy. And your stop loss should be There are two stop losses, I say. Tight stop loss and normal stop loss. Tight stop loss is like $5, right? And normal stop loss, which is normal. This is according to me. I mean, everybody has their own risk management. This is what I consider. Whenever, whenever it comes at this area, you decide put a tight stop loss or a normal stop loss. It doesn't mean open a 0.01 and put $5. No, this means that if you, let's just say you open 0.05 at 2642, your stop loss should be $5 away. That means 41, 40, 49, 80, 40. In short, it should be around 47, 47, 48. Oh, sorry, 37, 38. Around here. Around here should be a stop loss. This is what I consider a tight stop loss. And if you are like, okay, I wanna keep it a normal, you go take it to 30. But realistically speaking, if it drops down from this zone, what I normally this is for scalping. Since this is a really strong range, it's likely is 20% or 10% chance that it's gonna break this range and drop down, because it's obviously tried before. But it goes up. This is 15-minute, by the way. So we're not gonna have any magical expectations. We're gonna stick with the reality. This is not a Hollywood or a Bollywood movie that a guy will punch and 100 people will or not a Chinese movie. Hero will beat 100 guys. You cannot beat the market, man. Just follow the price. Buy, put a stop loss over here, for example. This is how you do risk management. Take it, okay, where it went up, okay, over here. The stop loss, tight stop loss, 60, 30, 26, 36. And you let it breathe. You let it breathe. And you on the way up, for example, if you open 0.01 4 5 trades, take first profit at 26, 44, 43, 44, or 47 or 48 on the way up, or just wait till it actually goes up and take a profit all. And then from once you reach at the top, okay, same thing as above. This is for sideway range, okay. Nobody knows how long the sideway range will carry on, but for this you need a trading setup. If you have a trading setup, then it's good. If you don't, work on it, back test it. I personally am giving trading setups, and teaching stuff in the ProWolf beginner batch. 3 batches have been educated. 4th batch is 70% ready. 5th batch is starting from January. Last date is 31st December. You guys can join it. Anyways, do the same thing over here. You see this happened over here previously. So you're gonna wait for the price to come back in this zone. Okay, exactly over here. Let's just wait for it. Like, you don't even need to sit, and actually open. Just come over here, put on your MetaTrader 5 or whatever software you're using. Put a sell limit at 2649 or 2650. Okay, put the stop loss as 2655. If you open exactly at 2650, put a stop loss 2655, and TP, take profit around 2641 and let it run. In this manner, when you are in a sideway range, you are making profits. Even if for example, you're going to sleep or bed, you can just put buy limits and put take profits and stop losses, and at least you'll know, okay, if the trade hits stop loss, I'm gonna have this much loss and this much profit, not more than that. You will be risking only the amount of money that you can afford to lose, not more than that. If you really have something important to do, you cannot sit. If you are like actually, you know, sitting and watching the chart and everything, then I recommend not to just open, put any buy limit. Just open it and manage it. Managing trade will make you profitable. Just like the same way where when you are losing, for example, you open the wrong trade and your ego is big. You don't want to close it. It happens all the time. Sometimes it happens with me too. And you're like, no, I'm right. No, I'm right. And I have to wait a little longer. I have to wait a little, and it hurts. This happened last week. Yeah, when I was shorting, when it was going up, I was early in a short. When then I started shorting on Friday, on the Thursday, I was like, okay. Then employment data, all the data, when it was bearish for gold, gold went up, and when it was bullish for gold, gold went down. And I was like a retard market, fucking fucked my mind. I mean, this happened. I was too much working. I said, okay. The first thing is there are no rules. What the market expects you to do, you do the exact opposite. Even sometimes, I learned, I keep on relearning this lesson. Look, see this? Now, my buy is over here. My stop loss is over here. What's gonna happen if even if this breakdowns, it goes down over here? I know, okay, let's just say I lost $30 to $40 on this, but I do know that over here I have a buying chance. I will wait for a bullish engulfing and I will enter. And when I will enter over here, I will have at least two trades. First to recover this, second to make profits. So the market always give opportunity. You have to be calm, everything. And even this can be a fake out. This can drop down. So okay, it's about to drop down and then it goes up all the way up. So this is why I know there are people who put $2 to $3 stop loss, and all the time it keeps on getting triggered and they get triggered. So this is why I say the tightest stop loss is $5. That's the best thing you can do. Gold does this. Gold is really manipulative. I switched to 15-minute for the very same reason. Because on 5 minute it looks like it's finally dropping down. And poof, 15-minute candle complete, the next 15-minute candle is up. This is why I always stick to lower time frames for entry. Although I am still looking at 1 hour for direction. If we go on 1 hour, on 1 hour we have this situation over here. Let me update this. In which the market is currently is in a range over here. Let's go on a bigger time frame so I can show you guys what's happening. This is the bread and butter. This is the thing that is gonna provide us with the direction. Okay, so you see this yellow line? These yellow lines, this is this yellow line is basically is in a sideway range. If I just remove this, you can see this is sideway, and it's just waiting to retest this top 26, 20, 30. It will definitely go up, but we don't know when it will go up. It might happen in a day or two, a week, but it will definitely go there. And if you recall what happened the last time, there was this phase, okay? One minute, no. Where is that? The one that shows the date and time? Okay, here is it. So this over here. The last time we saw this, this thing in this range, this range that is currently on since 16 December till today, that this happened previously, and it took like almost 15 days for the price to break above this zone, and we are in this zone since uh, uh almost 10 December, right? So it's been 8 days. So expect one more week till Friday, I suppose, or next Monday for the price to finally break above. I mean, this it, this is the way it's supposed to work. Even if you look at over here, you saw price dropping down, and you guys can possibly see over here. Uh-huh. Fuck is happening, man? You guys can possibly see that it dropped down and did a pullback up, grab all the sell side liquidity. Sellers are present over here, but bulls are not like completely disappeared. Bulls are just waiting. The thing which worries me the most, sorry, is when price will, start pumping the FOMO buying, just like previously. And I was shorting over here, fucking retard. I was a retard. You have to just be like on the one side. If you're buying, buy. If you're selling, sell only. And I'll try that. Last time, I made a mistake. I will not. I'm strictly following my original plan. I'll be buying. Even if 10 times. No, not wireless in a sideways. I mean, I'm talking about swing. There's some dude is think that I'm just gonna fucking keep on buying on the every drop. No, it's just I'm of course buying and selling the this on a lower time frame, but I'm talking about the swing trade. Come on, man. This is how it is. I'm just waiting for stock market to open. How much, man? 8 minutes left. Let's go to micro strategy. All eyes on micro strategy. Pre-market. If the pre-market opens up with a gap down, Bitcoin will dump. And if it if Bitcoin drops, gold will go up because there's a correlation between gold and Bitcoin. And the price of Bitcoin is dropping, gold goes up because that's how it is. People take their profits out from Bitcoin and buy physical gold. This is what people are telling me that they are doing in their real life. Mm. 6 minutes left for micro strategy. Gold is just in a sideways. And now it's going up the same way I said. The fake out breakout. Bitcoin is also dropping. BTC dropping. BTC is dropping, baby. I give the Bitcoin signal. Uh, I gave this Bitcoin signal of sell on premium group over here. The entry point was around here on this. Yep, it was around here. I gave the signal over here. And the trade is still running. We took partial TP1 and TP2. I posted this on Telegram. If you guys are not on Telegram, join it. And by the way, guys, just one more like and I'll give a signal. Then I'll ask you guys, do you want a gold signal or a Bitcoin? I'll personally recommend you guys to take this Bitcoin signal because Bitcoin is more profit. It will make you more money than gold. Just one more like, and then the signal will be all yours. People message me where I am, what are you doing, where are you, ProWolf? Nothing, man. Life. I'm tired. Been working. This year was a blessing by Almighty. Bitcoin 4 hour. Okay. Okay, good. Mhm. Hmm. This thing is gonna fucking head up. I can see it, I can feel it. Bitcoin gonna drop. Let me turn this off. We actually don't even need this is better. We'll go look at what's happening. What has happened actually. Always mark previous day. If you are a price action trader,